My name is Karen Thomas. I'm coming from Savita College of Occupational Therapy. The course I took is Basics of Mental Health and Psychiatry. It was actually a new experience. I've never done this before. It was really, yeah, it was a different experience. Like, it was actually part of our course too, and was very well helpful in the way they taught. And yeah, actually, this is part of something we are learning too. So it was actually helpful towards what we're going to do in the future as well. So it takes time as well. Like, so we dedicate time for NPTEL as well. So at the end of the day, we have to do assignments and take special time to actually do it. It actually takes your time. So like, please make sure like you actually set apart some time to study, because it'll actually help you. It'll help you a lot.
I'm Kartika. I'm from Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University in Crumpet. I'm currently third year and I have done the course of Embedded System Design using ARM. It was Embedded System Design using ARM. Since I learnt about microprocessors and controllers and I was interested in that subject, I learned that course. Regularly learning the videos will be helpful in attending the exams and assignments. Learning the lecture materials will be useful for the assignments and the examinations.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kalaivani. I'm working as an associate professor in Savita Engineering College. So I took this exam 4-week course as Python. So just to improve my knowledge in Python and to take my domain expert in data science. Normally, I'm not into programming. The first time I'm learning programming, it was really good and very informative. I know the theoretical concept of data science, regression, or linear, but when I implement along with the program, it was really useful. And to take the class practically, I think it will be very helpful. I have to check myself, right, whether I have studied properly or not. Surely, it will help them to improve their skills. So they will learn by practice. I really feel that if you learn in NPTEL this course, we can learn by practice. Colab, everything is very helpful. You can implement the Colab and check whether that is really working or not. Due to my work schedule, I was not able to complete all 4 assignments. I completed only 3 assignments. I think that's enough for my internal examinations. But to remember my deadline, it's really a task for me. It's very helpful for continuous learning and they can improve their programming skills and they can check their self whether they are up to the mark.
So hi, I'm Karthikeya Devarla and I'm from SRM student. I'm a SRM University student. I'm a pre-finally a BTech student pursuing my computer science engineering. So the course what I've took is evolution towards air interface towards 5G. So it's actually an advanced mobile communication course. So it will be helpful for me in future through the certification. So first thing, the staff was amazing. They were very much supportful and conveying. See, I'm doing my masters abroad. I have also completed my GRE. So doing this course would actually boost my specialization taking aspect. So if I show them these certificates related to NPTEL, they will accept me even better. See, IIT professors being IIT professors, they were really good. So I understood the topics well, their content of explanation and the way they were speaking, and their lectures were also really amazing, short, crisp, and more conveyable. See, the advantages, I can listen to the lectures whenever I wanted to. So I can also complete the assessments whenever I wanted to. So whenever I had time on Saturdays or either Sunday, I would sit the whole day or either half day. I'll complete them, and that's how I do it. NPTEL, I've been doing a lot of NPTEL assessments and exams. I have completed around 6 or 7 certification courses. So NPTEL, for the first time, it was my college. Maybe they told me to take a certification from NPTEL. First and foremost thing, NPTEL course has a lot of weight. It's certification course. If you get the certificate after completing it, then it might be for jobs, it might be for placements, it also might be for higher studies. It will help you a lot. That's what I have gone through after writing so many exams in NPTEL. Anything else? Nothing. That's the only thing. And staff are amazing. NPTEL being good.
My name is Vinay, and I am from JPR University. Actually, I took the designing and algorithms course. Actually, it will be helpful, but it's a whole new different concept. It is completely different from our course. I'm a general CSE, not any specialization. So it will be actually it's pretty hard for me to understand at first. Actually, this is my first time. Actually, I'm writing the MTTL. Yeah, so that our college management said that just try it. If you have if you score good marks means you will be helpful in future.
My name is M. Levin Prince. I did my undergraduation in B Mechanical Engineering in LISET, Loyola IKM College of Engineering Technology. I just did my NPTEL exam in Fundamentals of Propulsion Engineering, and I just came for the exam and I just got over. Okay, I mean, I just got my admission for masters in a subject called propulsion and energetics. So this is a subject which is regarding propulsion. So I just wanted to get to know the fundamentals. Yeah, my college professor suggested me to do this so that we can do more research work, and I had done total of, this is my third NPTEL exam. Fundamentals of engineering, and in what do you say, physics. Two similar ones I had done like that. Okay, this course is more and more. It's about thermal management. Like, it's about completely about rocket fuels and what are the propellants you use and at what temperature it goes and all those things. And it's a very interesting subject. It's both in terms of chemical, in terms of thermodynamics. It's really a fantastic subject. I really loved the classes. It was really nice. It was a really good experience. I believe NPTEL is a platform that helps you to get to know more and more different streams. Or what actually, this is one thing that I did is when I have doubt of which masters or which kind of scope I need to take. What I did is I just tried to browse different subjects. I take course in that. At least I try to do a course in that, and if it's a subject of my interest, I get to know more about it, write an exam, and then I can like choose a stream. If not, I can choose another stream. That's what I did. So I think that was a really interesting thing for me, and it is like this was a very fantastic experience for me.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Kumaran. I am coming from Kelambakam and I am currently studying MTech Biotechnology in Hindustan College. So I took a course on data analysis for biologists. Why I took this course? Based on our knowledge, they can our resume weightage will be higher. Based on our domain, we can took the course. If we have knowledge in that prospective, they can see and we have get the job. No, they are simply explaining all the topics day by day, and videos have been recorded. So we can, based on our time, we can prospect and took the video, take the video to see. And the questions all be answered in the video. So it can be very helpful for the students to understand by the professors who have taken and write the exams. Because when we are studying NPTEL courses, after we gain a certain amount of knowledge in that. So it can be really helpful in your future, in your domain or anywhere based on the domain.
Myself is Manju. I'm working as assistant professor in artificial intelligence and data science in GKM College of Engineering and Technology. I have attended the course of introduction to machine learning and Tamil, and I have learned very efficiently, and the course was very useful to learn about the machine learning concepts, and it is very useful to learn some new technology from NPTEL. So I took it in Tamil, so it's very useful for the learners. So the concepts, if it is the concept is very difficult, means if you are learning in our own tongue, means it is very nice to understand the concept and easy to understand the concept. Can't contribute fully to watch all the videos, but I took the which are the very important topic and learned those topics, and I concentrated on those topics. So if you are going to attend the exam, means we will concentrate more in studying. The main is the concept can be understood very clearly and easily if it is in Tamil means. So that is it's my mother tongue, it will be easy to understand for me. So it is very useful for me. Make use of it, and for both students and assistant professors, whatever their designations, or even though working in IT sectors or in any organization, you can learn new technology from NPTEL, but you use it efficiently by watching all the videos. That is the main thing in NPTEL. Of course, most of the working people have no time to watch it, but put effort to learn it from the videos. Then only you can get better marks in NPTEL.
Myself, Mahalakshmi. I'm from Chennai. I did digital signal processing, discrete time signal processing. The course was very nice. The exam center also very nice. I'm very interested in digital signal processing. That's why I chose this course. The course is entirely very useful for me. Doing research and all that. That's why I'm choosing this. That is questions also very great. It's like a gate exam. If you are concentrating more on your assignments, means you can able to clear the exams. For example, 50 percentage of questions from assignments only. Okay, and then textbook as well as the videos. So if you are concentrating the assignments as well as the videos, means you can able to clear as well as get more marks. Thank you so much.
I'm Lavanya from Gojan Engineering College. I'm coming from Gumiripundi. I have taken programming data structure algorithm using Python. Video session, they are conducting live, so it's very helpful for me to solve the assignments and all. So it's this is my second NPTEL exam, so I'm very much interested to learn more courses in this IIT because it's based on my subject only. Data structure I'm handling in C, but using Python, so how it is working, so I just want to learn more from. That's why I taken the subject. Assignments you have to do by yourself. If we use in chat GPT means it will be very tragedy for doing exam because if we try when only it will be possible for exam, otherwise very tough. So try by yourself. Just take the help with the help of ChatGPT and all. By solving by ourselves only, we will get more practice sessions.
Yeah, my name is Manodya. I am from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, and I am from Tiruviganagar, Chennai. I have taken the course Introduction to Soft Computing, and the exam was so easy. I read the lecturer material and I saw the videos, so it was so easy to attend the exam. Yeah, writing exam was important because we gain knowledge from that. So it was important to attend the exam practically. Then in online, compared to in online, read the lecture material, that is enough, and saw the videos from the teachers, IIT teachers. It was so easy to read.
I'm Kavya. I'm from Bangalore. I am from AIML department. I took data science for NPTEL course. It was good experience. It was recommended by a college to get the certification course done. Certificates are very worthy for resume, right? Many are doing at different ages. It's better if you're an engineering student if you start during your second year. And yeah, NPTEL is a good course. You can opt it.
Myself Kirtana, I am from Wales University. I am working as an assistant professor. I am appearing for research methodology in NPTEL SWAYAM exam. It was really easiest exam as we expected. We had learned many things in that YouTube channels, and the assignment relating to the topic has been asked in this exam. And later part is we expected it is easier than we expected, and the questions are so easy and relevant. We appear this exam without any fear or any anxiety. So the question paper is easy, and the location, especially the location is much rather than the expected, but it is so far away from the duration. That's only a problem. Apart from that thing, everything is good. Their invigilation and the location and accessibility, drinking waters, everything is good. And I wish you all NPTEL and SWAYAM courses to do a best in its future. Sir, initially some point of view, some subject we won't read in our UG or PG itself, that we neglected. But that part we need to get some knowledge. Even if you are referring much books or any reference, it is not useful. But when they thought using the video lectures and everything, yeah, we can learn much better than what is there in the book. Only thing it is that you can get many sources from NPTEL. When you skip some subject while faculty are taking lectures, you just take that particular course from NPTEL and then study. You can get much knowledge from here. But it is essentially useful for all the students, faculties and everyone, lecturers or whoever in the academic profession. And you can get much knowledge as you expected. The certificate and credit score that you are giving is valuable for academician for their upliftment of a career and everything. Thank you once again. Thank you all.
My name is Kavita K.A. I am currently pursuing BTech Information Technology in RMK Engineering College. I have taken the course Cloud Computing and Distributed System. I have learned many things in this course. I have learned the basics of cloud computing and distributed systems and networking, etc. It was moderate, actually to say, because in our academics we learn the basics of fundamentals of cloud computing. But here we have learning advancements in cloud computing and distributed systems. It helps us to gain knowledges and skills in this field of cloud computing. If you are a college student, you can manage your courses by you can learn in weekdays. You can learn your academics related. In weekend, you can pursue these NPTEL courses, where you can manage your time in that. If I will manage my timing by learning my academics in weekdays, and weekends I will be focusing more on NPTEL courses by learning those videos and by taking those assignments, and will gain some extra knowledge by browsing it in YouTube, etc. NPTEL is a good course where you can pursue knowledges very easy and efficient way. It has many advancements in courses, and you can gain more insights about the domain you choose.
I am Krishna Kumar from Anna University. I am a BTech Chemical Engineering student. I have registered at multi-phase flow for it is essential for chemical engineers. So the teaching by IIT staffs are pretty good. He explained by word, and I can understand very much about it. The way he teach, which is better than our college. So I choose. So it is much better. It is one of my essential course because to get placed in. Like IOCL or PSU, so I need to study this multi-phase flow. So I just the reason, just for placement. Secret or nothing much. We our class are over at 4:30. So from 6 to 7, I spend time for NPTEL. So after that, I do my college works. How that works, the basic principle about multi-phase flow, and how I can visualize with me out how industrially it will work.
Hello, I'm Rajan. I'm doing my PhD in Wells University. Online courses that I attended were very useful. The professors are very experienced persons, and so it was very useful for me. And I'm happy that I have attended this exam. And in the exam time, there are so much of time was there, enough time was there, and the venue that chosen was also very good. Just now I began my PhD course, and so I was asked to do this course. So I didn't know before this. And since my guy told me to take up this course, I took up this one. And eventually I found it very useful. And now it's good that everybody attends it, all those who want to do research paper. It will be very much useful. And I'm happy that all the professors are now well experienced, and they are very much down to earth and very caring for the students. Even though they are not present, even though it is an online course, they are very much concerned that each one understands. All those who are attending the course, they see that everybody understands, and very simple in nature. Good course that we attend, and before going for any PhD course, and I would advise that everybody attends this course first, so that they will be very clear of what they will be doing and what they will be facing, and all the difficulties that we will be facing in the future while doing the research are already envisaged, and they are given guidelines as to how to overcome the difficulties that we will be facing. And so it is a wonderful course that we need to attend, and I'm happy that I have attended, and I have learned from it.
So I'm Dr. Malati. I'm coming from Meenakshi College of Engineering. So as a professor, I have selected this subject in enhancing my levels, and that exams are good, and the questions also applicable one and easy for me to follow. I have answered well. Yeah, this time everything, the technology is moving, is it not? So everyone has to come in that learning multidisciplinary subjects. In that aspects, if I'm a faculty belonging to that electronics department, means it will be very good for me to get the touch with the students in learning these subjects. In that level, these NPTEL courses are very useful. Yes, definitely. We are in that experience category, that the freshers, that young faculty members, they can take this opportunity and they'll enhance their levels. Because before 10 years back, we don't have these facilities. So now we got this facility, and everyone has to catch this and get into that levels.
Sir, my name is Lakshmi Priya. I'm from Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan College of Engineering. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I have been doing this NPTEL courses. This is the third time I'm writing the NPTEL courses. I feel it is very useful as I'm from the core department. In addition to the core field, I want to learn other subjects also, which is mandatory nowadays. And now I have chosen research methodology because I have started doing the research work now. PhD, I have registered for PhD. In the PhD coursework, they have not insisted me to study this course. But anyhow, as a research scholar doing PhD, I need to do this subject as mandatory. first subjects I have gone through, and the second subject I have got elite with the silver also. I'm very much interested to do the NPTEL courses because the content in the NPTEL courses is very well explained, and it is time we can choose our own time because it is a recorded version. So whenever you are finding it free, we can do it. And doing assignments also, there are a lot of medias to help us doing assignments. We can solve the problems, anything, theoretical part as well as the problematic part. I feel it is very comfortable because after completing our working hours, we are coming home and doing something whichever may be required or not required, but spending this 1 hour time daily gives me a better energy, better confidence in me, so that I feel more confident while taking classes to the peoples, to students, because if I'm confident only I can teach all the aspects. As a profession, as a professional, I think this NPTEL courses can be done by all the people from the professional side as well as the core or IT sector, whoever can be preferred, because nowadays students also taking the NPTEL courses. As a faculty, it is mandatory to do the courses, and it is a proper recognition for us also. Doing NPTEL exam is good going for me.
Hi, I'm Lokapavani. I'm from Chennai, and I'm working in Australian edutech company. It's a Senable Care. I started doing my PhD and recently I just started like last year. I'm doing in artificial intelligence. I thought of and that time I would, came across this NPTEL courses and I gone through. Actually, I try to do in deep learning. Before doing deep learning, I should know about some machine learning techniques. So I chosen this, as well as I'm also doing introduction in machine learning, and both the courses are wonderful. The professors are teaching excellently, and the assignments are extraordinary. So all the problematic sessions and the theoretical sessions, like, and I have gone through each and every assignment, and now I have solved all the questions. I was like, what, how much research has done by these professors to get all these type of questions, because I do the same research in but my research is different, and when I come across this, I was mind blown by these questionnaires. And yeah, today exam is wonderful, and I think I wrote well the problematic session because I love mathematics. Yeah, this is my first NPTEL course, and I'm planning to do more. Actually, I was just searching in net, as well as my professor also once just said about this NPTEL courses. For his school students in internship program, then only I come across these NPTEL courses, so that I mean, actually till that I doesn't know that the people like me can do these type of courses and can like learn more. Actually, I'm just going through the net, Google all those things and learn all those different websites. But these courses are much more helpful than all those things. And also, we can, when we are writing exam, we are all we are recollecting all the topics what we have learned, right? This is a wonderful thing. Yeah, I have to study till night 11 o'clock. My work is like I work from home because it's an Australian company. I work from home. So after my work finishes, I see my son and then I study. But it is motivating me. Like, actually, it's a learning a process. Like, this has to be there for all, for whoever it may be. It may be a student or maybe a teacher or any profession. Learning should be there. It doesn't end at one point. Like after marriage, after getting job, we stop learning. That thought should not come to anyone. Learning helps us to confidence. It builds confidence in us, as well as it makes us to be we know something more, so give more energy so that for the next day, I think. Yeah, I'm very thankful to the NPTEL, and you people are so energetic, very nice. All the best to you people.
I am Dr. Suresh. I'm working as Associate Professor in SRM University Ramapuram campus. I have been continued with the NPTEL exam for the long years before. I have completed many courses and I have received NPTEL Star Disciplinary Award, and I have scored topper 1% in the cloud and distributed computing. We always used to prefer Professor Rajiv Mishra courses because it is all relevant to the distributed computing, cloud computing, and now today I have written exam on the edge computing. Because we used to prefer Rajiv Mishra because his courses will be latest and based on the edge computing, fog computing, and cloud computing. So I have completed almost many courses under his explanations. Now today I have completed edge computing. Usually we used to prefer more questions from the assignment and the old assignments, and today most of the questions from the general scenario. So however, we managed and we have written the exam. So only difficulties to reach this center is quite difficult. Otherwise, NPTEL is a happy journey for me, because it is when NPTEL exam scheduled, and we will be feeling like a UG student, though we have completed PhD, and we have started learning many terminologies after we registered into the NPTEL. So this will enhance our skill set, and we can also compete with the equivalent to the industry standard, though we are from the teaching faculty. Before NPTEL, I could not be able to update to the latest technology, and now I am a little bit confident because I can able to know about what is latest trends going on the computer science and engineering, specifically because I belongs to CSE, and it will help us to induce our interest towards learning new technologies. So NPTEL is a good platform where they can able to register and they can get recognition, because when they go for any interview or an outside, if because the certificate is issued by the IIT, so they will have added advantages wherever they are studying. So I used to advise the students to go for minimum one NPTEL certificates per semester, so that will enhance their knowledge skill and they can be recognized in the outside also.
My name is Vikarthikeyan and I am studying in SSN in CSE department, which is I am first year. What the course I took is Python data structure. NPTEL was good. I took all the assignments and the video was so clear and easy to understand. And the transcript, Tamil transcript, so that I could understand in Tamil also. Moreover, the exam was related to the assignments, so I felt easier in the writing part of the exam. It will help. Basically, it is provided by the IIT. No, it have a advantage in placements, and in our college we can use as a value added credits. So I took this course. Everyone, as it is only the registration fee is there, every students can apply for NPTEL and they can learn in this course.
ஹாய் ப்ரோ, என் பேர் கதிர்வேல். நான் வந்து அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி எம்ஐடி கேம்பஸ் சென்னையிலேருந்து வரேன். நான் வந்து பைத்தான் டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அல்காரிதம் எடுத்திருந்தேன். கோர்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா, நான் 12th 11th வந்து சிஎஸ் தான் படித்தேன். அதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது இது கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் பற்றி கொஞ்சம் நல்லாவே பேசிச்சு. கொஸ்டின்ஸும் அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. ஓரளவுக்கு ஓகேவாக தான் இருந்துச்சு ப்ரோ. On weekends, I try to complete my NPTEL works. On weekdays, I used to complete my university works. This cycle maintained to complete the NPTELs. First of all, யாருமே வந்து அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸை நல்லா பாருங்கள். கொடுத்துருக்க அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் பேசிக்காக கேட்பாங்க. அதோட மாடல், அப்புறம் அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க ஒவ்வொரு டெஸ்ட் கேஸையுமே கரெக்டாக ஒவ்வொரு டைமும் இன்டர்பிரேட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். அப்போ தான் அதோட ஒர்க்கிங் கரெக்டாக தெரியும். இப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸில் எந்த இடத்துல எப்படி வேரியபிள் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணுறோம் அது கரெக்டாக தெரிஞ்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஓரளவுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும்.
Yeah, so myself Sheetal Krishna Kumar and I'm from Avadi, Chennai. I've done a course in NPTEL. It's called Waste to Energy Conversion, and it was a very good learning experience. Especially I loved the notes and the assignments, and it's quite really interesting to learn different from, outside from college syllabus. The one thing I think the NPTEL could improve is sometimes the keyboard doesn't work, so maybe they could work on it. And else, I love it all. I'm actually interested in environmental and sustainable energy as I'm a chemical engineer. So I took this course for a domain purpose, but it's really nice actually, very interesting too. I did well, and yeah. Oh, of course it will, because nowadays everything is dependent on energy, and the course which I took is from waste to energy conversion, which is really important for this society. So I think this will really help in placements for myself. The notes actually helped me to, study for this exams, and as I said, it was quite good. I did the weekly assignments by looking at the notes, and I watched the videos when I got time from when I'm coming from, college to home by bus. So that's how I managed. Oh yeah, while doing the assignments, even if you have not watched the videos, you can really use the notes, because you will know where are the topics lie. So it will be easy for you to prepare for the exam as well. So yeah, don't use ChatGPT that much, and you could, search from the notes and the slides. It will really help you to study as well, and it will, if you are in taking domain course or something related to your field, then I think it will also help for your some internal exams or semester exams as well. So yeah, study well and all the best. No, I like the NPTEL, the platform as it is.
Yeah, I'm Nitish. I'm from Giddy. I have came here to write an exam of effective writing, and then I'm studying masters in structural engineering. Choose to NPTEL effective writing examination for my uh, credit course system. As well as the exam was pretty good and it was pretty occupied. They need me to write a essay of a three essays which contains of 200 words or 90 words and 150 words. So yeah, pretty good exam, and yeah, I felt like I'll score good. No, there are certain reasons for every institutions. They need a people to choose some minimum number of courses from MPTL to do their courses. So the tip or advice that I like to give them is to choose a course that will help them to do their career and make them to progress in their career and make them to grow up their knowledge.
This is Dr. B. Anandapriya from Patrician College. Actually, I am the SPOC for this NPTEL. We have registered for this NPTEL in our college from December 2017. Before 3 years, we were the active local chapter. After that, few years during the Corona time, actually our students didn't register for the exam. Even they have enrolled for the courses, but they didn't register for the exam during the Corona period. Before that, and all, our college was the active local chapter. But after these 3 years, because of the NAC criterion 1, we are insisted we should do, but this subject credit will not be included in our college because we are affiliated to University of Madras. So those who are interested only, we are asking to enroll. But the few years students are enrolling, and we are asking the faculty also to register as mentor, and students are encouraged to participate in this and attend this program. And I came to write this exam along with my son. He is doing in St. Joseph Engineering 3rd year. So both of us wrote today's DBMS. Whatever we have studied, when I was writing itself, I know that I would have studied little too much for this exam, but it is easy for to write. But everyone can write the exam. It's mainly for the teachers. We can enhance our knowledge, and the students, the credits will be included for their subject. Actually, comparing to teachers, we are taking class during the class. Apart from that, this is very useful for them to know this self-learning, because me and my son, both of us studied mainly because of the self-learning. Well, it's enhancing the knowledge. It's very easy comparing to teaching in the class.
My name is Nikesh Sinha. I am from Patna, Bihar. I am currently studying in SRM, Cotton campus. And I opted for the DBMS, Database Management System course. And overall experience was good. The questions were like medium, not tough, not so easy. So it was good. And the professor which taught us from IIT Kharagpur was also good. He went to the depth to the questions and to the topics he taught us. Yeah, so like overall experience was good. For my placement matrix, it in SRM, it adds to the placement matrix. It has some numbers, and also this course, this certificate has some values because you have to give exam, right? You cannot just see the videos and get the certificate. You have to prove yourself. That's why the video is recorded, right? So you can watch it anytime you want. So of course in university you have free times. It's not like the classes ends at 5 o'clock. You don't have anything to do. So you can watch videos like 2 hours a day. It's easy. It's easy to manage. Yeah. My advice would be just do the assignments by yourself. Don't copy it from YouTube and all of that. Just do the assignment from yourself, and you will easily crack the exam. Thank you.
I'm Priyadarshini, studying in Sri Ramachandra Medical College. So basically, I took the course of Introduction to Psychology. It can help you to understand the human's nature basically too well. So I was kind of nervous at the first actually, but if you study and you can prepare for your exam, so it'll be easier for you if you studied everything. So you should cover everything. You should watch every videos and attend the assignment. It will help you a lot, and study from the assignment. That's all.
Hi, this is Sonika from St. Joseph's of Engineering and Technology College. I took HR Management, which includes strategies and advantages. It was bit easy because I occupies HR and marketing as specifications, and also it is so much of technicals, and normally it is useful for my future. And also this course is very helpful for my domains. and the questions in exam were like it is totally included as per the videos which are presented before in the course. And as the assignment questions are most commonly I got previously like 3 to 4 questions. The regulations which are used in this exam centers and the course also will be helpful for me in the future, because I was totally included is HR department this and all. At present I was doing paid internship in a company called Zebu. So and all this exam qualifications will useful for my future as a opening fresher and higher salary occupancies. Where this is mandatory and also where there is where NPTEL make it as a mandatory, and also it is like specific questions where the questions is included 4 options, right?
Hi, my name is Preeti. I'm from OTM Bakam. I had been pursuing B.Ed in Satya Sai College, and I chose Introduction to Psychology in NPTEL, and also I chose this course because I was interested in learning in human psychology, and it was so interesting to learn about psychology through the videos made by the professor in NPTEL course, and I had a lot of knowledge regarding the psychology, and the exam was also good. It was all based on what we went through the course while learning. So it was overall, it was good.
I'm Monish, I'm a college student and I had taken this NPTEL exam for the designing and engineering of computer systems. I had taken this course as it was requested from the university, and also as this exam, as the subject that I had taken was a sidetrack of my course that I study in my university. It has maximum helped me in my educational qualification backgrounds as of now.
My name is Mukesh Khanna. I'm studying my UG degree at Ramchandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. I'm currently doing my UG, which is occupation therapy. I chose the NPTEL course, which is Health Research Fundamentals. It was really essential for me because it's my professional degree. So the research is very important for me. Actually, I completed my 4th year project currently. So this was very useful. While watching the videos, it was really linked to my current project, which was done in my 4th year. Also, the videos were like, very clear, but also the questions were not tricky, but with enough time we can handle the questions. It was somewhat easy because it's my professional degree. I have to do research definitely in my 4th year. So the health research fundamentals is basically which is fundamentals of research. We learn about that. So I think it was really essential for me. Also, it will be useful for my PG degree also. Also, it will be really essential for a PhD also. So I took this course.
I'm Dr. N. Prabha from SRM Arts and Science College, Katankulathur. I have taken patent drafting for beginners. So it was an excellent course. Actually, since we are filing patent, this course is very much useful for us. Since we are directly learning from the IIT professors, the teaching methodology and the questionnaire patterns, everything is very fantastic. And the last 4 years we have been attending. Every year 2 courses we are doing, and particularly the advanced course we are selecting. So this one will be very effective for us. And thanks to all the IIT professors for their efficient teaching methodology. What are the courses I have taken is all my favorite course, particularly this patent drafting. Since we have started filing the patent, we got so many basic information regarding how to file the patent and all. So very good experience for us for learning this type of courses. So that is mainly the passion what we have. Since the course what we have selected is up to our thing what we are doing now. So out of that we are showing some interest out of our daily work. We got some time. Particularly, we are sparring for that and we are doing it. So this one mainly not only for professionals or those who are working, and apart from that, the students who are studying PG, they have to do this course because from the base they are teaching. So this is very much useful for their research purpose, or if they're going for any paper publication and all these things, this will be very useful for them. So I like the IIT professors to come up with more and more courses, so that will be useful for the students as well as working professionals like us.
So my name is Preeja. I'm doing my postgraduate in Ramachandra, MPH first year. So I took fundamentals in research. In MPH, my core subject is research.
So after doing this course, I was able to get the knowledge about the research. So it was very useful for me. About the sampling size, design, and everything, it was very useful. Like I got to know these videos and all. I think they should see it in the right time. Like many skip the videos and only see the handouts and the transcripts. I think it's better to see the videos.
Actually, I'm Purnisha from Ramachandra Medical College. I'm currently a PhD scholar doing my PhD work on microbiology. The course I took on NPTEL is Health Research Fundamentals. Actually, since I'm a PhD scholar, it is very helpful to learn a lot of basics about the health research, and it was very informative sessions. And it was a 8-week session, and each and every video was really helpful. Since I'm a PhD scholar, I'm more into a research. So health research fundamental is a very relative subject for my course. Actually, it was like they explained each and every steps from the basics till the advanced level, and it was very easy to follow them. And they also use very like basic language, and it was very easy to follow. Since it is like user friendly, like I can access this video. This is like even the assignment is also given time for 15 days to finish it, so I can even access it from my home, so it doesn't interfere with my lab works. It was easy to access it. Actually, I suggest everyone to take NPTEL because it is user friendly. You can access it from your home whenever you're free in your leisure time, and it is not like they give you the time to attend the assignments. They give you your the answers for the assignment is also given. You can read according to it, and the questions is also always explained in this lecture itself. It is easy to attend it.
Okay, myself or Nadia. So I'm from Rajalakshmi Engineering College. I have done basic linear algebra. The course is very useful for me. It is totally relevant to what they have taken in the course. The questions were related to the assignments what we have submitted, and it is very relevant to my upcoming coursework and all. Actually, I'm taking for computer science people, so they need this linear algebra. When I was study, the period is very long, so few concepts I would have forgotten. So, and I want to know current useful applications and the current updates. So that's the reason I have chosen this course, and it is because we are in education field, no, so we have to spend some time for this, so then only we can update ourselves. That's the reason it is much needed. Reason many people are not seeing the professor's video lecture, so if they have gone through that, so that is the little advice. It won't take much, half an hour every week if we spend maybe the traveling time. I use it for when I travel in my bus, that time I'll be watching that. So watching these kind of video, they can update themselves, unless watching movies and all unrelevant shots, they can see this, then they can update themselves. Yes, sir. So we cannot stop studying, and we cannot how to say that we have to update ourselves. So when as a teacher, I have to update myself for the students' will betterment. So,
Okay, my name is Pranav Mazumdar, and I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from SRM University in computer science engineering, and with the specialization of big data and analytics. I have chosen the course, database management system in NPTEL, and the overall experience was quite good. I chose this course because it will boost up my the further education and background. It will boost up my resume too, and it's needed for one course is needed for from our college to choose as an extra optional course. Is just take it as an extra or benefit for your future resume. It will give you.
My name is Vamsi Krishna. I'm currently interning at Rolls Royce at Singapore, and I'm currently pursuing Master of Science in Aerospace. So the course that I took right now is strategic performance management. So I was like, I still got, I gained a lot of knowledge from that, and like how to perform, like sorry, how to manage, and how the performance works in a company. Because when I was working at Rolls Royce, I did find out some like the employees and technicians, how they're able to cope up with the supervisors and the managers, and how they're able to get the job done. So that's what it is about. That is one thing. And second thing is that this course is extremely helpful for like if a person wants to get into management side. That is, if they want to pursue like MBA, or if they want to know more about the organizational structure. Everyday life is just a regular interning, that's going back to company, coming back home, and then as soon as I come back home, I just go start like my in NPTEL course. Like after 1 hour, I return back, just take bath and just refreshen up, and then start with the course. Just practice lecture videos and assignments, and just continue doing that. That's all. Yes. So this has actually helped in my professional life. So after when I get a job somewhere, not only in Rolls, even somewhere back in India. So if at all I want to get a promotion or something, and showing that I have the certification, I have the knowledge, and I'm able to implement and execute the knowledge. So that is one way that it's helpful for me to go up and grow up in the future. NPTEL, I came to know actually it's through my bachelor's. I did my bachelor's in SRM. So some of my professors and some of the heads of the departments are different. That is subjects and courses. So they came to know about. They informed me about NPTEL, and then I just got along with this. To all the final years who are watching right now, and to all the bachelors or juniors. So first thing, try to go through lecture videos, the lecture materials, and the assignments, especially the assignments. Get it done on time, at least 2 or 3 days before that. And also please discuss with your peers, your friends, your like colleagues. In case you've had doubts, ask your professors. Even they might have some knowledge regarding that. In case if you're still not able to cope up with it, there'll be a video session conducted by the IIT Madras professor from there. So sorry, no, not exactly by the respective course, like whomsoever is conducting, and you can clear your doubts over there, and that way you could just get a job done.
I am Dr. R. Prabhakaran. I am working as Associate Professor of Chemistry in Pradyusha Engineering College, Autonomous, Tiruvallur. My topic, NPTEL topic is Electronic Waste Management. So this exam was very well. Most of the questions are written well. Second time, sir. It was very well, sir. So I have got very more informations regarding electronic waste materials. So how to remove the electronic waste materials from nowadays mostly most of the electrical and electronic waste materials are generated every year. 1.7 million tons of electrical waste are generated. So this is new experience, sir, for getting more informations at evening time. So after 5 o'clock, just 1 hour I have prepared, sir. So national program examinations is more important to improve our skills. So students and faculty members, we can improve the subject knowledge, sir. Just encourage to all students and faculty members, sir, to attend the examination. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Praveen Kumar. I am from SRM University. I have taken this course on upskilling on management of new development of product and services, which was really enhancing, and which I came to know that how the segregation of the products of the new things are coming into the market, and really it was an insightful course.
Hi, this is Pooja from Savita University. I am JRF in Savita University. Actually, for my research purpose, I have selected the course development of special concrete structures. Question paper, that structure was very nice, interesting too. Actually, for us, we need to complete a 4 NPTEL course as a coursework. That's it. I completed my coursework. For the domain purpose, I selected this subject. We need to do at least one subject for a session.
I am Dr. Pari. I am an associate professor from Wales University. I took a design thinking course in NPTEL. It was a good experience. Actually, it is mandated. I am a faculty from Wales University. So every semester we are supposed to do one course from NPTEL. That's part and parcel of our job. So we have to manage it. No other go. No, this is my third one. I'm exposed to NPTEL almost 8 years back. 8 years back when I did my PhD that time. Okay, so it helped me to learn, even though I did not write the examination at that point of time. The videos have helped me to gain a lot of knowledge, so which has helped me to complete my research on time. I would say that start as early as possible. Don't push everything towards the end of the course. So try to do as many assignments from the beginning so that you get the complete knowledge on the course. Okay, and also as far as the examination preparation is concerned, you have to watch all the videos, no other go. Don't skip any videos. Watch all the videos and go through the book that is prescribed.
Yeah, so my name is Om Shishodhya and I'm currently an undergraduate student from SRM University. And the course I took was Database Management System from NPTEL, which was conducted by IIT Kharagpur. And the course was duration was about 8 weeks. I took the course because my course advisor told me to take the course as it will help me for my future endeavors. I chose the course because I thought it will align with my future endeavors. Like for the future, I am thinking of choosing a job in data analytics field, and for that, I think database management system is a must. That's why I choose this course. So for NPTEL, I used to watch videos every day. Like for that, the videos came. I used to watch one video per day, and for the assignments, I did the assignments on Saturdays and Sundays because the submission date was on Wednesday. So due to that, I was able to complete my assignments and everything. And the teacher and faculty were good. They supported me for everything. Any tip or advice regarding NPTEL is you should do it. You should start doing it from now if you have a chance, because it will help you for your future endeavors. And not only that, it will boost your confidence and morale by getting the certificate and everything when you pass out.
Hi, I'm N. Meghna Krishna. A postgraduate student at Madras University, and I'm doing my MSc Anatomy this year. So NPTEL is new for me because in my UG I had not taken any courses like this, or I wasn't introduced to this. But once we came to this postgraduate, we had to take one. So for each semester it was one. For the last semester I didn't take, but this time I took 2 NPTEL courses, but it was pretty effective for my daily life things. So the course that I took was soft skill. So it does help me with my profession that I'm gonna take. So it's pretty useful for me. So it was like mostly like about the way we have to behave, or the way we have to present or teach, or even the way we have to communicate with someone. So there are branches of topics, and it really helps in our day-to-day life as well. Yeah, it's around half an hour video, YouTube videos. So we do have I use my traveling time to watch the videos, and during the due course of time I'll go with the lecture notes that has been given. So it is pretty easy to manage. Sometimes it will be hectic, but it's in half an hour video, so it is pretty useful. As I don't know what these courses will do to me, it will be useful if we go with courses that are related to our subjects, so we can manage both. Like rather than taking out of the course, like out of the field of interest, you can go with field of interest, so it will be easy for us.
Hi, I am Meher. I am from Tenambet, Chennai. I took a soft skill development course now. It was easy. The paper was easy. The course which I opted was very, very interesting, and it was like very interactive sessions. All the questions and the assignments was reviewed by me, and through that the exam was so easy. Okay, for my career development, it can be a part of certification will be valid as it is IIT certified. So soft skill course will be valid for my that certification will be valid for my career. So I choose this course. I'm a language trainer. I'm working in English partner. So in a corporate company, I just wanted to upgrade myself. So I opted for this. Regarding NPTEL, follow the videos which is opted weekly basis. And once you follow the videos and attend the assessment, it will be easy for you to clear it.
I am Niveda K. I am studying my Masters of Education at Sivanthi College of Education, Kundratur. and I took effective education as my topic for the NTPL course, and it is for my credit basis only. But the course was very enthusiastic and interesting for us to learn about writing reports, letters, and etc. It was a good experience for us to learn uh, at home itself. It is a good platform and good opportunity for us to gain knowledge and experience about the topic. It is I think it is a good topic for us to go to a job, because there was preparing a resume, memos, and memorandums, and there was a topic for research also. For my PhD, it will be helpful for me to for my further studies. Now I am doing my master's degree only. Apart from my studies, per day I will be taking up with 1 to 1.5 hours of NTPL course daily basis. It was very I think it is easy for me to clear that exam. For research people and the PhD scholars, it will be a great platform for them to learn about their research proposals, review of literatures, etc. And based on the topic, there are many courses on the Swayam app and NTPL. It will be for them to good to go with the topic.
Yeah, very good evening to all. Yeah, very good evening to all. I'm one of the candidates in NPTEL exam. My name is Ms. Nirmal Kumari from Kalambakam. So this is I've taken for as a part of my PhD examination. So what I supposed to tell about whatever they're receiving and allocating the seats is very nice, and we couldn't able to find any difficulty while they're uh, finding the seats. Okay, so they are allocating in on spot, and they are guided very well. And in the negative part, what I experience is, so nearby that center it is being allocated for us, means it's very easy to access, and we do not waste our time to travel. Okay, so that is the one point I want to tell. And also because of the climate, it's very hard to sit over there. You couldn't able to concentrate to give the correct answer. So maybe that is maybe to reduce the get a minimum marks also. So if you are providing air conditioning room and such a manner, so that will be benefit for the students who are attending NPTEL. Yeah, I selected health research fundamental. It's related to my PhD topic. So we need the credit point also. For that I have chosen for this course. Yeah, it's very enthusiastic, and so reliable content they are giving, and also easy to follow the content while they are listening the videos, and also they're giving some link to read out the content, and giving practice questions also, so that is very easy to remember and recall everything. And it is very useful course, I think, for this who are all taking the next step to their career development, I think. NPTEL. So my advice is every week they are giving the assignments, and also they are giving some videos. So that has to be learned on that day and the week itself. And some may have the habit of reading at the end of the exam, so that is not advisable. So which I faced difficult in that. Altogether, if you are studying, means you cannot gain all the knowledge about the research. So what I face difficulty, if you are studying from that week itself, so whenever they are assigning this assignments and videos, so that time itself, weekly if studying, means it will be very useful to follow and acquire knowledge also. So that is my point of view I'm sharing with you. Thank you, Anand.
So my name is J. Navnitha Krishna, and I'm from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. So the NPTEL course what I took is database management systems. It is an 8-week course from IIT Kharagpur, and to be honestly speaking, it was a very good course. Going deep into the fundamentals of database management systems, and it was it was explained much well, and the assignments also was different compared to the last time, and it was much more interactive. That's what I would say. And this time the practice assignments, that was a little bit different and unique feature, and which actually made me to solve more questions and made me to be feel more interactive and such things. Okay. And about and the questions were also something similar to this, and it was a bit tricky this time, but it was okay, fine. And the lecture sessions were also very good. DBMS, yeah. Behind DBMS, I worked as a DBA junior database at an intern, but I didn't have any that much depth into it, and this course provided me a lot of depth into it, and I felt like each and every dots got connected when I studied this course with my prior experience and such things. To be honestly speaking, NPTEL courses are designed in a structured way that you can hardly spend 1 hour on your weekends and such things, so that you could manage your time limits and such things. And as usual, yeah, definitely. Especially regarding DBMS, it is a core coursework what CS students and like me having. And database is one of the is considered one of the backbone, and without database and such things we are not moving forward. And having database management system and a course like this one in NPTEL is definitely recommended. Thank you.
By the way, this is Mohammed Mudassir from Material Science and Engineering, second year from Anna University, Gindi, and I have taken the course like acoustic material and metamaterials in NPTEL which is around for 8 weeks of course. And to be honest, this course has insisted like it has given much information about the acoustic material which they have given, and one more thing, like this has even encouraged us to it was so easy for us. Like I have even tried many other platforms, and I even learned from many other platforms about this acoustics, but I didn't get much information on it. But this NPTEL has given me a great opportunity to get more information on the particular topics of acoustic material, and this helped me a lot. And the coaching which is provided by the respective faculty was actually amazing. Like it was like it was set like this course for the postgraduate students, but as a UG graduate student from the second year, that course was easily understandable by the second year itself. So the way of teaching and the way of they conduct the exam was awesome, and this NPTEL has helped me to gain more knowledge in this particular course. Other platform when I have just seen it, they have just given the overall, like they have given mostly theories. Theories is being provided. No practical solving problems is not being given. When some problems has to be given, other platform they have just given the problems and the students have been asked to solve it. But on considering this IIT professors, they have even trained us. They have even taught us how to deal with problems, and they even trained us with various other kind of like how can various problems can be solved, like using those assignments which is being given in the week wise. Like those things are really good. Like assignments questions are little bit different from the teaching which they give, so that we get an inside we like to we think more in depth, like how the problems can be solved. So in that way that NPTEL course has helped us. For my basic, now I have just planned of doing my research in highways now. So a problem has been came for us, and I am doing under Vishwanathan sir. Like I am gonna talk with him, and he talked with me. Like, and he just said like highway people have came to us, and they just like the sound has to be reduced. Like sound problem is more for us, so we have need some materials so that we can reduce the sound. So I personally suggested Vishwanathan sir, like I have completed this, I am going through this course and I will be completing this, so that my idea on this course will surely help me in developing some other material for the highway barriers, I think. And ma'am, the course also given the instruction about the highway barriers, so I can easily can applicable like what I have learned for the real time application. So this course has really helped me. NPTEL is a good platform. Like age doesn't matter over here. Like students or any people who are any time like can watch it, can understand it easily. That's what the main thing NPTEL gives. Like other platforms, like understanding like becomes a little difficult, but on going through this NPTEL courses, understanding the courses, the way they deliver the lectures by the professors was really good. So I preferably say that NPTEL courses make people easily understand the concept and can easily move with it. Like for 1 week we get around 5 to 6 videos, but it is like literally an easy one. Like they teach in such a way that we don't need to just focus on for next day or like next week for that. And I preferably say that this course or NPTEL professors give a good teaching styles.
So myself Mayappan, I'm from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. I'm studying in second year. I have taken database management system for this semester, and the course was very well taught by IIT professors, and the exam paper is also similar to what was taught in the course. It is very nice to learn from experienced people like them. They are good at what they do, so it was nice. We have assignment deadlines on Wednesday. Please check with that. I actually missed 1 week. Yeah, they take best of 6 in case of 8 weeks. But yeah, I hope you don't miss that. This is one of my core subjects in placements, so this will obviously help me in my placements.